It's Thursday, June 6th, about 5 minutes to 5 Eastern Time. We have a northbound train on its way. We're on the Cincinnati to Corbin Sub. Train has, I believe, 416 axles, which is roughly 100 cars. I believe it's going to be a unit train, which would be grain, coal, ethanol. Probably ethanol. I'm guessing ethanol, most likely, then coal, and grain last. Let me see, bring the camera down. Should be on the main, I'm guessing. I got the sun in my eyes, I have a hard time seeing the screen. I see his light. He is on the side, no? He's on the main. He kind of got out of the throttle. He's throwing some smoke out there. Looks like a Union Pacific in the lead with a BNSF following. Let me get a Hornsey. It's ethanol, empty. I think it's 101 cars, if I'm not mistaken. If I did the math right, if I recall the number of axles correctly, there'll be 100 ethanol, 1 buffer, 2 locomotives. There might be a buffer car in the end, I don't know. Those rails are really singing. They were grinding on them a week or two ago. I'm thinking that's why they're making that noise. I have a hard time seeing, the sun's right in my eyes. A little bit of rival power. Look there. No buffer. Got a buffer at the front, 2 locomotives, and the rest are ethanol. Should be 100 cars. If not, it doesn't come with a money back guarantee. There it goes. It's a beautiful day today. Been the first train here since 7:30 this morning. There's my little buddy. Hi, little man. There's Carter. He's 2 years old a few days ago. All right, thanks for checking it out.